Welcome, everyone. Corey again is here with the two ladies, Magdalena and Lori, and they are you are calling from California. I heard before we were sharing a bit. Yes. And I'm very happy to introduce those two to you because they are going to offer their gift and some wisdom and something for Time for Empathy, like a workshop that you can join and have some experience. And I want to say thank you to both of you that you spend your time and give your time and your energy into this Time for Empathy week. We had sharing in the team also, and we were not sure if it's going to happen. We were thinking about not doing it this year. And then Magdalena said, the other Magda from the team said, but now it's really time for empathy. And we say, yeah, that's true. It's really time for empathy. And I mean, yeah, so it's happening. And I'm very glad that you are part of it. Thank you so much. It's not the first time that you're in the team. It's already is it the second or even the third?
Yeah, second.
The second time last year.
Second time.
Yes. So yeah, maybe you introduce yourself, and Laurie, maybe you want to start. Why do you do the work that you do? Why do you share NVC, and maybe also your work that you give into this world?
Thank you for that. My name's Laurie Delaney, and I am been involved in NVC for like over 10 years. And what I really love about it is the paradigm shift, that it takes me out of the right and wrong, the good or the bad, and connects me to all the my community, the people I love, and gives me a way to stay connected in how I communicate. And so what I'm passionate about teaching is helping people learn those skills and find the ways to connect the people that are dear to them and build the community that we want to see in the world, so that we can talk to people through differences, so that we can advocate for our needs. I work with families in the clinic where I used to be the director, who that don't get their fair share of services, and they have children with disabilities, so they're advocating for their children all the time. So that's what I like to bring NVC to in my world.
Wow, thank you. And you, Magdalena, yeah, for sharing also.
Yeah, sure, I would love to. So my name is Magdalena Kosinska-Klaehn, and I come from Poland, but currently I live in California. And my journey with NVC started when I became mom, and I noticed that what I was doing with my oldest child wasn't really working for me, but I had no idea what else to do. And then at one of the moms club, somebody started to talk about jackals and giraffes, and it somehow I found it interesting. So I looked it up, and I just fell in love with NVC. So and so the reason I want to share it in the world is because I long for connection, and I really long for deeper connection than just how are you. And I really would love people to have, first of all, ways to connect and be able to share with each other their true selves, and like how to step into true selves. And I also through my history and my like family of origin and my family system, I was always the one who took care of everyone, and I was always forgetting about myself. So now with NVC and resonant language, I'm really finding my true self, and I'm finding what I like and what I dislike, and I'm finding that I am a gift to the world, and I want to share that with everyone, that finding your own self is the most beautiful thing.
Thank you. I'm bathing in your words, both of your words. Thank you very much for sharing. And yeah, and I guess, I mean, this is also what you're going to offer. There's something about self-empathy and self-care as a way of self-care.
Yeah. So in our workshop, what we wanna show is that we need to nourish ourselves, and we really need lots of self-care to be able to come to the world and bring our deepest values and share them with others and inspire the others. And so in this, and especially in these times that are happening right now, when there is a lots of fear, there is kind of lack of safety for people in Europe, but in whole world. We want to present people some tools and ways like how to stay connected within the body, and like how to acknowledge what is happening in our bodies, and like how to make sense of what is happening. Because I think as human beings, we all want to make sense of us and of our experience. And plenty of times we weren't given the tools to do that. So like how to move from thinking like what the hell is going on with me, to rather like love what is happening and make sense out of it. So that would be the part of the workshop that we want to offer.
Thank you. You want to add something, Laurie? You have some?
I think, yeah, for me, it's so important to, oh, I'm so sorry, to help find my authentic voice. And self-empathy really helps me connect, like shift out of my thinking about everything into, you know, going deep into my body and feeling like what's really happening with me, so that like what's my authentic expression, and how do I bring warmth and care to whatever's alive in me. So I really want to share tools that help me and others learn how to connect with that.
Thank you. So
I would like to add one more sentence, that I used to think that self-care is something like, you know, going to the cinema or like doing something, right? And now I'm transitioning, and I want to show other people like this beautiful transition to that actually self-care is like going within and realizing like what's inside of us. So that self-care is really more nourishing than doing many other fun things, which are also important. But at the core of our well-being is that self-care that goes within.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. And everything that we have in the outside is also starting within. So it's a big thing to have the courage to look inside and to care for oneself. Definitely very much needed. Yeah, so thank you for proposing. And I say, so it's on Saturday, you're going to propose your workshop, which is called Self-Empathy as Self-Care, on Saturday the 12th of March at 6:15 Central European Time.
Yeah, and it's 9:15 Pacific time.
Yeah, thanks for adding. I don't have it on my mind. So yeah, and if you want to participate, you can sign up on empathiceurope.com. And I would also like, maybe you also want to share where people can stay connected to you also, like beyond Time for Empathy. Do you have some website or something that you
I don't have a website yet. It's in working, but I have a page on Facebook. You can find me at Empathically Empowered at Facebook. And also at email, you can just email me, Magdalena at empathicallympowered.com, if you would like to stay connected.
Thank you. And you, Laurie, you're also up for sharing something to say?
Yeah, we offer some trainings online through, it's called NVC Day One. And so there's some courses monthly that we offer for free that people could come in and connect with us there.
Great, thank you. So maybe we post the links above or below this video so people can easily click on that link. So then thank you very much, and yeah, happy to see you again, and see you.
Thank you so much.